Welcome to the new workshop. Today we are going to take a break for photography, switch it to videography. Okay, uh, we are going to take a multiple short videos. That's on purpose is well, everybody knows that it's a why we taking videos. Any answers? Actually, why we taking photos and why we taking videos? There is a answer that we are collecting the data. We are learning through the data, not for the social media, not for the reels. Reels is just we are just engaging to the socially. That's it. So should not be like we are a social media photographer or we should be a social media videographer. No, we are collecting the data, and through the data we are learning. So whatever the data you are collecting, it should be worth for you for your future and definitely for the learning. So as a purpose, we are going to collect more short videos of species. Okay, switch it to a video mode. Take your camera, switch it to video mode. Check what will be the maximum frame per second you have. You know how to check the frame per second? Okay, go to video option, video menu. In your camera, there will be photo menu and video menu. It's a menu. Take menu. Take menu option. Take this option, video option, and go to here for frame size and frame rate. Yeah. Once you take that, yeah, frame size. Yeah, there will be size. First, there will be size 3840 2160 something like that. You are getting this size 3840 2160. Yeah, sorry, 1000. No, that's low. High. 3840 2160. Uh, 120? Yeah, 120. If you have a 240, put it on 240. Only 60 here? Yeah. No. This is Z8, right? 5. Z5. Z5. So you will have 60. Okay. 4K HD doesn't matter. 4K? No. I have like in 4K it is 60. No. The size is very important. So choose this size. 3840 I have 60. 60, yeah. 60p, right? Yeah, 60. You will have a 120 frame per second. But can you look at it? 120 frame per second. The same size, 3840. 50 frames per second? Yeah. 3840 there is no size, so which means there is no 4K in your camera. So you have to choose some other size. So you can choose 1920, 1080, 120. 1920, 1080, no, 120. 120 frame per second. What is the 60. 50. Which one is maximum? Why are we taking higher frame rate? We are going to do slow motion for our video. How we do slow motion? Increase the frame. No, cut off. If you are taking 60 frame per second, cut off. When you edit the video, cut off to 30 frame per second. So it will be slow motion. Got it? So this is a very simple idea. Take your video in higher frame rate, and when you post processing, cut your frame rate to half, 30, then it will be a kind of a slow motion video. Got it? And what will be our video setting? That will be crop. In only higher end cameras we are offering 4K this size slow motion. So sometimes we don't require slow motion all the video. we have to mix it up, and sometimes we have to frame it also. So take your original video, doesn't like a slow motion, doesn't like or any other mode. Get it in the high frame, right? So you can utilize for other videos also. If you are taking any future videos and you would like to combine the same, so this will be helpful. As I said, it will be. So it's time to switch to short videos, and after that full frame films and capture films and movies and all. So we have to upgrade, keep on ourselves in a profile way, in our career way. So this is just a first step, taking 30 seconds video. Once you've done a 30 seconds in good in that, you have a vision for how to complete 1 minute video. And you will be improving to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and later on scripted one. That is the ultimate one. Scripted the video, but not in the wildlife. Wildlife is always unproductive. We don't know what's happening, so we cannot script it. But definitely other subjects, we can script it and take videos. So around 4 years and 5 years, whoever completed, definitely need to switch to video mode. Every time when you go for photography, take videos also. Keep it in your file, and whenever get your time, edit it and see what's the result. And the editing the video file, it's a bit tough. It's a bit challenging, because in photography, how we remove distractions? Now there is so much AI options, right? We can just put round and remove bush, remove blah blah blah. This all command will work. But in videography, this and all will not work. Whatever the distractions, that will be permanent in your video. We cannot remove all the distractions. You have to capture the video in a perfect way, in a perfect framing. Avoid distractions, avoid the distracted subjects. So you have to put more effort in videography. Got it? So whenever you came for a photography, at least take 2-3 videos and see and try to avoid distractions and better framing. Then only you will be improving in the videography. Got it? So I hope today you have learned something new about the videography settings and all. Keep practicing. That definitely help you out. And that settings not only for wildlife, that's for all kind of videography. If you are taking our animal, if you are taking a human being, if you are taking a car, this is the settings you have to follow. This is very basic setting, and just practice it. Got it? Thank you so much for coming. So we are wind up in the session. If whoever getting the better video, just post it in a group, so we all can together review it. But don't think you taken a bad video or you taken this video is not good. Share it first, and let's criticize. Let the people say negative. Whoever saying not negative, which means you don't know what is negative. Yeah, let's criticize. Let's say about negative. I will always tell in the people, whenever people posted a photo, do not say first place beautiful, awesome, wow, no. If something is need to correct, tell that this is awesome, but there is a corrections needed. There is a over coloring, there is a over editing, there is a framing issue. It's kind of the methods we have to follow. Then only each other together we have to improve. So in your same way in a videography also, when you put the video, don't look at the wow factor. Look at the negative factor first. Criticize it. Then whoever taken the video, it's a chance for improving them. We are not blaming them. We are not degrading them. We are valuing it, reviewing it. So don't think bad about it. Criticism is a good quality. Criticism in a way of better manner. That's it. Don't keep in your mind that I have to put it down and criticize it. Not like that. The person who overtaken has to improve, then we are criticizing in a way. So, Positive Negro, thank you so much for coming. I know you all wake up early and coming for the session. So, thank you so much for that. Thank you. Bye bye. So,